Correct. So today we'll be starting with displacement and double displacement reaction. For displacement reaction, we'll be requiring that reactivity series of metal. And जो कटरीना वाला था, करेक्ट, कटरीना ने लिटिल कार मांगी, ऑल्टो जेन फरारी सेंट्रो, फिर भी क्यू मिली सिल्वर ऑडी. ये सीक्वेंस था. Double displacement, Jinesh, we have not done, we'll do it today. So it is Katrina, that is K, Katrina. So K for potassium, Na for sodium, Katrina, Ne, little, lithium, car, calcium, mangi, magnesium, alto, aluminium, zen, zinc, Ferrari, iron, Ferrari, then centro, ascent, tin, फिर भी PB, that is lead, Q, that is CuQ, milli, milli mercury था Hg, Q milli silver is Ag, gold Au, silver odd Ag and Au. This is the series, and top to bottom reactivity decreases. This you have to remember. As we go from top to bottom, reactivity decreases. Okay, this series we will require today. If you want, again एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं. कटरीना ने लिटिल कार मांगी, ऑल्टो जेन फरारी सेंट्रो, फिर भी क्यू मिली सिल्वर ऑडी. कटरीना, सो कटरीना का के इज पोटेशियम, ना सोडियम, लिटिल लिथियम, कार कैल्शियम, मांगी मैग्नीशियम, ऑल्टो एल्यूमिनियम, जेन जिंक, फरारी आयन, सेंट्रो एसएन दैट इज टिन, फिर भी दैट इज पीबी लेड, क्यू कॉपर, मिली मर्क्यूरी, सिल्वर सिल्वर एजी, ऑडी एयू, गोल्ड. ठीक है. आई होप दिस मच इज क्लियर टू ऑल. सबने ये रिकॉल कर लिया होगा प्रॉपरली. कंसिडरिंग दिस, लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ विद द फर्दर पार्ट. Okay, let's start with the further part of today's lecture. So very first thing, we are starting with third type of reaction, which is displacement reaction. Now, what is displacement? Let us understand a simple meaning of word displacement. आप सब ने स्पोर्ट्स तो देखा ही होगा, कोई ना कोई गेम्स, फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, हॉकी और एनी अदर गेम्स. एंड यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग, कबड्डी सब में सब्स्टिट्यूट प्लेयर्स होते हैं. सब्स्टिट्यूट मींस क्या होता है? एक प्लेयर अगर इंजर्ड होता है और बिकॉज ऑफ एनी XYZ रीजन वो प्लेयर अगर बाहर जाएगा, उसके जगह एक दूसरा प्लेयर अंदर आता है. Substitute means if one player goes out, the extra player, substitute player, will come in. Yes or no? That substitute word is also called as displace. One player is displaced by another. Same thing we will understand over here, that is displacement. Now over here किसका substitution होगा? यहाँ पे substitution होगा of elements. Okay. For example, AB is a compound and C is a substitute player. ध्यान से सुनना. AB is a compound and C is substitute. What will happen as C is substitute? It will substitute A and it will take position of A. So between A and C, simply substitution hoga. So position of A is taken by C. That is called as substitute. That is displacement also. So substitute displacement एक आपको basic clear हुआ. B will remain as it is. जैसे substitute सब player नहीं होते, कोई एक player या दो player होता है. Same over here, सब substitute नहीं होंगे, सिर्फ एक substitute होगा by C. And why A and C are substituted? Because A and C are metals. You have to remember over here. During displacement reaction, A and C are always metals. A and C are always metals. And एक और condition लिख लेना. For just a second. For displacement reaction, reactivity of C should be more than A. For displacement reaction, reactivity of C, that is जो alone, जो substitute player हम बोलते, that reactivity वो metal है, so reactivity of metal C should be more than A, that is metal A, because A and C are metal. If C is more powerful, then only it can displace A. यहां पे कैसा होता है, A and B is a compound, that means both are present together from so long. Now C क्या करेगा, दोनों के बीच में दरार गिराएगा and it will take position of A. So that is simply displacement reaction. Okay, let's understand one example. Understand this with the help of one example. Okay, so simply what are we doing? To copper sulfate solution we are adding zinc. I'll repeat, 2 copper sulfate. रुको, अभी तक कुछ copy नहीं करना है. Okay, I'll let you know what to copy. First, let us understand this properly. Okay, yeah. So what we are doing, copper sulfate plus zinc dust. ये reaction already हमने पहले किया हुआ है. I'll repeat, ये reaction already हमने पहले किया हुआ है. So copper sulfate plus zinc dust, what will happen? Over here, very first thing we have to identify 2 metals, that is A and C. So which are the 2 metals over here? A and C कौन सा है? तो A compound में होता है, because AB is a compound. So here it is copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is nothing but A, and zinc is nothing but C. Now we have to check their reactivity. हमें प्लेयर को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, बट सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के पहले वी हैव टू चेक सी शुड बी मोर रिएक्टिव देन ए, देन ओनली उसका फायदा है. प्लेयर्स अगर हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करते, एक इंजर्ड हुआ तो दूसरा उतना केपेबल होना चाहिए, तो ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करके टीम को फायदा होगा, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो यूज. करेक्ट. सेम ओवर हियर, after copper and zinc we have to compare their reactivity. Zinc ka reactivity should be more than copper. So let's check in the reactivity series. See, zinc and copper is highlighted, and in this series just now we had seen, as we go from top to bottom, reactivity decreases. I'll repeat, as we go from top to bottom, reactivity decreases. So we can say the one metal, the metal which is above is more reactive than the metal which is placed below. I'll repeat, the metal which is above is more reactive than the metal which is placed below. So here we can say zinc is more reactive than copper. As zinc is more reactive than copper, displacement reaction will take place and we will get ZnSO4 plus Cu. That is A and C exchange ho jayega. So we will get ZnSO4 plus Cu. Is this example of displacement reaction clear to all of you? Please type clear or doubt in the chat box. What exactly is displacement reaction? Is this example clear to all of you? If yes, then now we'll understand the definition of displacement. Heat is generated during this process. Exchange of ion hota hai. In exchange of ion, heat is generated. Others also please reply. If you have any question, then please type your question or else type or clear in the chat box. Okay. Okay, great. Chalo, let's understand the definition of displacement reaction. Yes, for all the displacement reaction, heat is released by default. Plus heat लिख देने का. All the displacement reaction, heat is released. Plus heat confirm आएगा ही आएगा. You have to keep this in mind. Okay. Let's go back to definition again. Okay, what is the definition? The reaction in which the place of ion of a less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ions. Acha, do one thing. First, all of you write this definition and general equation which is there on the screen. Copy this so that आपके सामने definition होगा, and then reading that we can understand it more better. So all of you quickly copy this. I'm giving you 1 minute's time. And if you are done, then please type done in the chat box. Hetvi, please turn off your video, Hetvi. Yes, what I have written, please note those 2 points also. Done, guys? I'm waiting for your reply. Okay. Okay, Heath. Yes, Mahir, B is non-metal. Yes, Bhavya will do that. Don't worry. Okay. Let's go ahead again with the reaction and understand this. Wait. लिखो जल्दी लिखो प्लीज गाइस. थोड़ा सा फास्ट लिखना. रीजन बिकॉज थोड़ा डिले हो गया था ड्यू टू नेटवर्क इश्यू एंड वी डोंट हैव एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. सो विल ट्राई. अगर कंप्लीट हो गया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो विल कंटिन्यू टुमारो. डन. ओके, चलो. Next. Now, what was the definition? You have to keep that book in front of you and then we'll understand this. Okay. So, definition is just a second. The chemical reaction in which the place of ion of a less reactive element in a compound. So, very first thing over here, as I told you, you have to identify two metals, which is copper and zinc. So, the place of ion of less reactive element in a compound. So, copper is less reactive. हमने अभी देखा था. If we compare reactivity of copper and zinc, we can see copper, which is in a compound, is less reactive. Hence, its position, its place is taken by another more reactive element. And ये more reactive element exchange कैसे होता है? This exchange of ion takes place. But how? So first, copper sulfate aqueous hai. And you all must be knowing, last year we had studied this in chapter acid basis salt. When we add any ionic compound into water, dissociation of ion takes place. I'll repeat, when we add any ionic compound into water, dissociation of ion takes place. Okay, kaise? So copper sulfate we are adding into water. That's why we have aqueous solution. So as soon as we mix copper sulfate, we get two ions separately, that is Cu2 plus and SO4 2 minus. And along with that, zinc खुद के ions form होता है because उसको perform करना है reaction. So zinc form its own ion, that is Zn2 plus. And now exchange of ion takes place. एक बार वापस definition go through करते हैं. The chemical reaction in which the place of ion of a less reactive element in a compound. So copper का ion है Cu2 plus, which is less reactive. Yes, less reactive है. And it is in the form of compound also. Copper sulfate के form में था. Correct. So place of ion of a less reactive element in a compound, that is copper over here, is taken by another more reactive element. So position of copper is taken by more reactive element zinc. How? By formation of its own ions is called as displacement reaction. So zinc will form its own ions कॉपर सल्फेट ऑलरेडी आयंस के फॉर्म में होते हैं. रीजन बिकॉज इट इज एक्वियस सोल्यूशन. And whenever we add any ionic compound into water, by default, dissociation takes place and their ions are formed. And now exchange of ion will take place that will result in the displacement reaction, that is ZnSO4 plus Cu plus heat is released. Raj, I'll tell you at the end. But before that, till now, if anyone having any question, is this concept, is this definition clear to all of you? Please type C for clear or your doubt if you have anything in the chat box. Yes, copy this equation. If all clear, great. I'm very happy. Copy this equation in your notebook. भव्या वापस explain करूँ? Sure. Okay. यहाँ पे क्या होता है भव्या? Simply हमें क्या समझना है? This displacement reaction will take place. सबसे पहले we have to identify two metals जो reactant दिया है. Reactant क्या दिया हुआ है? Copper sulfate and zinc. हमें दो metals identify करने हैं, that is copper and zinc. डिस्प्लेसमेंट मतलब क्या होगा? जिंक विल टेक पोजीशन ऑफ कॉपर. बट ये जिंक पोजीशन कब ले सकता है? द कंडीशन इज इफ जिंक इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर, तो ही रिएक्शन होगा, अदरवाइज रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. इफ वी कंपेयर देयर रिएक्टिविटी, दिस रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज हमने सेकेंड लेक्चर में किया था आफ्टर दैट वैलेंसी सॉन्ग, इफ यू ऑल रिमेंबर. ओके, so here if we compare, zinc is more reactive than copper. Zinc Zn ऊपर है, कॉपर नीचे है. जिंक इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर बिकॉज टॉप टू बॉटम रिएक्टिविटी डिक्रीजेस. तो जो ऊपर होगा दैट विल बी मोर रिएक्टिव, नीचे होगा दैट विल बी लेस रिएक्टिव. So as zinc is more reactive than copper, zinc will take position of copper. So copper की जगह zinc आ जाएगा, hence we get ZnSO4 and copper बचा अकेला, that is Cu. Along with this, heat is released. Is this clear now? Okay, great Bhavya. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, एक क्वेश्चन था 2 + 2 - कहां से आया? कॉपर सल्फेट. या गाइज यू हैव टू रिमेंबर देयर वैलेंसी. अगेन वैलेंसी चार्ट रेफर करना है उसके लिए. You have to refer valency chart for that. Okay, guys, done copying all of you? भाइयों बहनों, थोड़ा जल्दी, खाली इक्वेशन कॉपी करना है, नथिंग एल्स. प्लीज डू इट क्विकली. For only last two form of equation you have to remember valency for any equation, because during chemical equation many a times you have to write chemical formulas, and it happens that we don't remember the formulas. Then how to derive? If we remember the valency, we can perform cross multiplication, crisscross method to get the valency. Copper generally its valency is 2 only. Okay, in normal condition valency of copper is 2. Under different condition, that is whenever energy is provided, at that time its valency changes to 1. Otherwise under normal condition its valency is 2. So your valency of copper is 2. Okay, next example you all will try. Come on, CuSO4 plus Fe. So we have copper sulfate solution, again blue color solution. To that we are adding iron nail and we'll keep it for some time. You all have to tell me whether a displacement reaction will take place or not. Dhruv, first you have to identify two metals. Second, check their reactivity. If iron is more reactive than copper, तो ही displacement reaction होगा, otherwise नहीं. So follow all these steps. Check their reactivity. Series भी आपके बाजू में है. And if yes, then what will be the product? वो आप type करो in the chat box. Mahir correct, Daksh correct, Heath correct. जिनेश और क्या आएगा? अक्षत करेक्ट आंसर, यश करेक्ट आंसर, कृषा टी करेक्ट आंसर, माधव करेक्ट, हेता आपने थोड़ा सा देखने में कुछ मिस्टेक कर दिया है, प्लीज चेक इट अगेन. ओके, चलो, ऑल आर गिविंग करेक्ट आंसर. सो ओवर हियर इफ वी कंपेयर यू कैन सी आयन एंड कॉपर. ऊपर कौन सा है? आयन. सो वी कैन से आयन इज मोर रिएक्टिव, दैट्स व्हाई आयन कैन डिस्प्लेस कॉपर. ओके, डिस्प्लेसमेंट सब्स्टिट्यूशन कब होता है? सब्स्टिट्यूशन के लिए सबसे पहली कंडीशन है कि जो कंपाउंड, जो मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल अगर फुटबॉल है, सो ऑलरेडी जो प्लेयर खेल रहा है, इफ ही इज इंजर्ड, इफ इज नॉट एबल टू प्ले और सम और द अदर रीजन जो भी होता है, देन दैट आई एम सॉरी, then that player का position is taken by some another, but that another will be powerful only ना. अगर वो एक अच्छा प्लेयर था, इंजर्ड हो गया, तो उसके जगह हम कोई नॉर्मल चलता फिरता ऐसा कोई इतने अच्छे प्लेयर के जगह कोई दूसरा नॉर्मल प्लेयर तो नहीं बेच सकते. द कंडीशन इज वो अच्छा प्लेयर होना चाहिए सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा है तो. हेंस रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ सिंगल मेटल जो सब्स्टिट्यूट करेगा, जो डिस्प्लेस करेगा, it should be more powerful, then only displacement will take place. So your iron should be more powerful than copper, then only displacement will take place. So here that will happen. Iron is more powerful, copper is less powerful, so iron will displace copper, hence we get FeSO4 and Cu. So FeSO4 is called as green vitriol. हमें light green color solution मिलता है along with iron nail जो पहले silverish color का होता है iron, it turns into reddish color. This reddish color is not rusting of iron, it is copper. उसके ऊपर copper deposit हो जाता है. Okay, and that is why, and always for all the यहाँ पे भी plus heat आएगा, plus heat आएगा. It's just that we have not written, but it will come. Okay, try one more example, all of you. Again, identify the two metals, check their reactivity, and if lead Pb is more reactive than copper, then only reaction will take place, otherwise no. So if all the steps are following, then what is the final answer that you are getting? Type in the chat box. Correct, all of you. It is PbSO4 plus Cu plus heat. Plus heat will come in for both the equations. I hope this type of equation is clear to all of you. What is displacement reaction? Okay, यहाँ पे I want to tell you one more thing. एक second रुक जा. I'm writing one equation over here. Just tell me whether it. Okay, one question I'm writing over here is. Okay, what will be the solution for this particular equation? Heath correct. Dhruv correct. Daksh wrong. Riya wrong. Gargi wrong. Khadija wrong. Mahir wrong. Akshat wrong. Krisha T correct. Raj wrong. Akshat wrong. Okay, whoever is writing CuSO4 plus Zn, they are wrong. मैंने क्या बोला था? My dear kids, I told you all already. Okay, sorry. Over here, for displacement reaction, first step is we have to identify two metals, that is zinc and copper. Okay. जिंक का पोजीशन कॉपर ले सकता है, बट कब? व्हेन कॉपर इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन जिंक. सो जो यहां पे अकेला मेटल होता है, दैट अलोन मेटल शुड बी मोर रिएक्टिव देन द मेटल इन कंपाउंड. I'll repeat, the alone metal should be more reactive than the metal in compound, then only displacement will take place. But here, as you all can see, copper is less reactive and zinc यहाँ पे ऊपर आया. See, I have highlighted. Zinc is more reactive, copper is less reactive. Copper less reactive है, so copper cannot displace. यहाँ पे precipitate नहीं है, it is less के लिए. Copper is less reactive, so it cannot displace zinc. Hence, in this case, there will be no reaction. The answer is there is no reaction. समझ में आया? What is displacement now? Generally, सब लोग ये mistake करते हैं. That's why I purposefully gave one extra equation over here. Okay, please keep this thing in mind. Then only you'll be able to get proper displacement. Otherwise, आप कुछ ना कुछ silly mistakes करोगे. Confirm. Okay. चलो, next double displacement reaction. This is very easy. Okay. डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट में दो कंपाउंड. डबल क्या हो गया? पहले था डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेयर वन कंपाउंड एंड वन सिंगल मेटल वाज देयर. अभी डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. अभी डबल क्या होगा? यहां पे डबल क्या होता है? यहां पे बोथ ऑफ देम आर कंपाउंड्स. So there are two compounds AB plus CD where A and C are metals. Like previous displacement, only A and C are metals. As both of them are in the form of compounds, दोनों में से कोई एक तो ज्यादा रिएक्टिव होगा ही. एंड एज कोई एक ज्यादा रिएक्टिव होगा, बाय डिफॉल्ट एक्सचेंज ऑफ आयन हो जाएगा एंड वी विल गेट दी प्रोडक्ट्स. Okay, so what is the definition? The reaction in which the ions in the reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate are called double displacement reaction. A and C will be replaced, that is displacement होगा. So we get, you can write CB plus AD, that is not an issue. वो A plus B लिखो या B plus A, it is one and the same. Okay, so the reaction in which the ions in the reactants are exchanged. कौन से ions? A and C. These are exchanged always to form a precipitate. जो दो प्रोडक्ट होता है, दोनों में से कोई एक हमेशा precipitate होता है. Just a yeah, to form a precipitate is called as double displacement reaction. ओके, राज रोबोमेट में चेक करना, डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट के मॉड्यूल्स है, वो करके आना. लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल ऑफ डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट, थोड़ा और क्लियर हो जाएगा. वी हैव पोटेशियम क्रोमेट, दैट इज K2CrO4, बेरियम सल्फेट BaSO4. ओके, बोथ दी कंपाउंड्स आर देयर एंड ये प्लस माइनस क्यों लिखा है? सो दैट इट बिकम्स इजियर फॉर यू, कि आप अच्छे से कर सको. क्या करना है हमें? सिर्फ एक्सचेंज. पोटेशियम एंड बेरियम एक्सचेंज हो जाएगा. सो वी गेट K2SO4 प्लस BaCrO4. And out of the two product, one will be precipitated, and that precipitated product is this. Okay. So BaCrO4 is precipitate always. जो एक दोनों में से एक कंपाउंड प्रेसिपिटेट होता है. And this is simply double displacement reaction. कौन सा precipitate होता है? That I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, let us first complete this. How to identify precipitate. Even there's a small trick for that. I'll show you tomorrow. So very first, what is the color of precipitate form? You can see reaction के नीचे लिखा हुआ है. What is the color of precipitate? Please type in the chat box. Special information हमने देखा था, like concentrated, dilute, color. We have to write below the chemical formula, which is written over here. Yellow color precipitate is formed. Second, Write the name of the precipitate. What is the name of precipitate? It is barium chromate. Then next, write down the balanced equation. So above equation you can copy in your notebook. And will you call this reaction a displacement or double displacement? It is a double displacement reaction. Again, I'll repeat how to identify whether it is displace or double displace. Displacement में there is one metal compound and one single metal. एक compound होता है, एक single metal होता है. And in double displacement, always there are two compounds. And in between two compounds, exchange of ion will take place. So I'll suggest you इसका screenshot ले लो, reaction copy करना है, and ये definition वाला slide जो हम सब के लिए करते हैं normally सब reactions के लिए, इसका screenshot ले ले, ये कल लिख के आना in your notebook. We are done for today. Will not go ahead. सिर्फ एक how to identify precipitate बच गया, that we will do tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay, but take a screenshot of all these things, prepare well, and see you all again tomorrow. Acha. Heath, what do you want me to reply for? आपका question क्या है? Please, can you type again? This is the equation. Heath, can you please type your question again? क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी टेक्स्ट बुक में है बेटा, ये सब इसके आंसर्स आप लोग खुद ट्राई कर सकते हो. ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर ऑलरेडी देयर इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. सर, फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन, no, there is no condition over here C should be more than A. In double displacement there is no such condition. Only in displacement there is condition. Yes, if you are done you can leave. Displacement में the alone metal C should be more than A, तो ही displacement होगा. But यहाँ पे there are two compounds, दोनों में से कोई एक तो more reactive होगा ही, and by default वो exchange होता है to form to give us a double displacement reaction. Okay, चलो guys, less than a minute is there. I hope सबने screenshot ले लिया होगा. Bye all of you. Take care. Stay safe. Stay happy. See you all again tomorrow. Please revise displacement and double displacement and come. Okay. Bye bye. Take care all of you guys.